The United States deployed an aircraft carrier strike group and a bomber task force to the Middle East in response to clear indications Iran and Iranian proxies were planning an attack on U.S. forces in the region, U.S. officials said. Late Sunday night, the White House made the surprise announcement that the USS Abraham Lincoln and a bomber task force were being deployed in response to unspecified troubling and escalatory indications and warnings. A statement from National Security Advisor John Bolton said the deployments were intended to send a clear and unmistakable message to the Iranian regime that any attack on United States interests or on those of our allies will be met with unrelenting force. The United States is not seeking war with the Iranian regime, but we are fully prepared to respond to any attack, whether by proxy, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, or regular Iranian forces, the statement continued. U.S. officials told ABC News the deployments were in response to clear indications Iranian and Iranian proxy forces were preparing for a possible attack against U.S. forces on land, including in Iraq and Syria, and at sea. U.S. Central Command requested approval from Acting Defense Secretary Patrick Shanahan to move additional assets into the region, which Shanahan approved on Sunday, one official said. The USS Abraham Lincoln, the lead ship in the carrier strike group, left Norfolk, Virginia on April 1. The Navy no longer provides destinations for its carrier deployments, but the carrier likely would have had to transit through the Middle East toward its new home port of San Diego at the end of its deployment. The ship is currently in the Mediterranean Sea. The aircraft carrier USS John Stennis operated in the Persian Gulf twice during its recent deployment, for 3 weeks earlier this year and a week in early April.